Hello guys, welcome back for another question from the chapter integral functions, and let us see what do we have to integrate today. So let me highlight the question for you. In the numerator we have x plus 1 multiplied by x plus log x raised to the power 2, and in the denominator we have x, and we have to integrate this whole expression. So how do we do that? Okay, I need you to observe that there is some clue hidden in this question. That is, if we take this part as 1 and simplify it, then the remaining part, that is this one, if we differentiate it, then we get the exact differential as the first part. Let me show it with the help of some markings. So let us assume that this is our first part, or we can call it A, and this is our B. So what I mean is that if we differentiate B with respect to x, then we get A. That is, A is exact differential of B. So this is a direct question of substitution. So let us see what they have done. So they are simplifying the expression. That is, they brought x plus 1 upon x in the one part and the remaining as the other whole part. That is what I told you earlier. Now simplifying further, we get 1 plus 1 upon x, x plus log x raised to the power 2. Now moving to the next step, we assume that x plus log x is equal to t. Now we differentiate it with respect to x on both sides, and what do we get? We get the differentiation of x is 1, differentiation of log x is 1 by x, and the differentiation of t is dt by dx, and x is dx is shifted over to the left side. So we get the same thing, that is A is the exact differential of B. Now moving to the next part. So our question is finally simplified to integration of t square dt. That is pretty easy. The integration of t square is t cube by 3, and we get an arbitrary constant along with the integral. But before signing off the final answer, we have to remember that we were given the question in the terms of x, and we are getting a final answer as t. So we have to back substitute our variables. So writing our final answer as x plus log x raised to the power 3 by 3 plus c, as we assume that t is equal to x plus log x. So we substituted it in the numerator here. So that is it. I hope you all got it. Thank you and have a nice day.